Welcome back to the vlog. So we're here at the vaults. It's a storage facility for whatever you want to store. Super fancy, really nice. But we're installing Royal Rally graphics, and here's the two bays. I'll show you guys. Matt and David have been here since noon already, installing all the graphics on the cars. We're getting all the cars prepped for Saturday's super awesome day, and I'm gonna bring you guys along. But first, we gotta get all of the graphics put on the cars. So without continuing talking, we're gonna get back to work. Done a couple cars, got them run through now. We're just gonna wait to see if any more cars show up. It's 5 o'clock. We're here till 9. I can't be here till 9 because I've got the kids to get home to bed because there's school tomorrow. But we'll wait for a few more cars to show up and we'll get them all done up. Well guys, you know this car? So these big sheets we are putting on wet because it is much easier to spray the surface. Spray the surface. Then you squeegee out the excess moisture, give her a wipe down. And peel off the sheet. And then there might be some moisture in there still. Just like that. Sheets installed.
See this part, but not that. Are they working on it first? Yeah.
Here's what a completed vault looks like. There's the view. Look at those beauties down there. And then you got a full kitchen, dishwasher, microwave, fridge, views, a workspace, and the must, big TV for watching the games. What do you guys think? Drop a comment below. You guys can look forward to seeing this beauty on the rally on Saturday. So gorgeous. What do you guys think of this one? Porsche Turbo, nice car. I like all the cabinetry on the front. The concrete wall is a really nice addition. And the glass railing with the glass stairs. Nice counter space, dishwasher, sink. This is gorgeous workstation. You can have your YouTube channels playing while you're working on your desk. Nice big screen. What do you guys think? Do you like the first one, or do you like the contemporary design of, you got a meeting space, couch, and gorgeous views of Alberta. So if you guys are in the Alberta, Calgary area and you're interested more about the vaults and you just want more information, go to thevaults.ca, just like I told you guys before, or come here, look them up, come by, stop in the showroom. They'll show you around. And he just pointed out the light fixtures in this room they're phenomenal. Like, they're so freaking cool. What do you guys think? This is probably one of the coolest spaces that we've done the Royal Rally decals in before ever. So guys, you guys will probably remember this car from the Passport run. So sweet. The color, oh, what a gorgeous car. But all the graphics are done. Damn airplanes. What do you guys think of this color? Beautiful. And then he's a custom sponsor, so he gets an extra set of graphics, and then the sheets, the hood shield, sponsored by House of Cars. Day 2 of installation, and done a few cars as you guys just seen. We'll continue as the day goes and get all the cars done for the lineup. If you guys want to see all of the Royal Rally fun and adventure, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we're going to bring you guys along tomorrow. You guys will remember this car? From the Badlands run. You guys are gonna have to let me know what the quality of this camera is, because we had an unfortunate accident this morning with the Sony. It no longer, it turns on, but it won't focus. The lens won't come out. So I went and grabbed this camera really quickly. Hopefully the sound and the quality is gonna be okay until we get this one fixed. Because of the rallies tomorrow, I needed to grab a camera and get set up to get going, so we're gonna try it out. But we gotten all the cars done. We just did the 60 Sisters Mustang, and we got about 15 more cars to go, and then we'll be back at the House of Cars tomorrow at 7:30. If you guys want to see that video, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll post that video. This one's just gonna be of actually getting the cars wrapped and done and showing you the vault and all the cool stuff. Big shout out to Cam and Marlo and Jas and Byron and Nick, Marty yesterday for stopping by. You guys are awesome to help with the brigade to come and put decals on the car without even asking. I super appreciate it, and I know Matt and David and Gray and the rest of the team, they all totally appreciate it as well. So just finished up a couple more cars, and I think there's a dozen more to go, and 7:30, so got about an hour and a half. There's a couple guys running late, but what do you think of this Mercedes? And I don't know if I showed you guys or not, but Marlo's car, the color of her decals just turned out so epic. Probably my favorite color scheme so far to date. You guys may or may not remember this car, John Bell and his GT4. And then inside there is we got the Corvettes. You guys would remember from the Badlands run. And here is an AMG, one of 5 ever made. This is the only one that is in Canada. So this is quite the treat to have here on the Royal Rally this weekend. It's gonna be epic to see this. It's mom and daughter actually running this car, and it's gonna be epic to see them run in it. So there you go. Tried, tested, and true. People drive their cars, they enjoy them, and this was just the backup car. Let me know in the comments what you guys think.
To this day, Mercedes.
What do you guys think of the interior? The stitching is just unbelievable.
It's insane.
What a gorgeous car. Well guys, here's another beast for you. Brand new AMG GTR. The color is absolutely unbelievable. All the aero bits, the canards, splitter, the vents. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Would you take the AMG GTR or the AMG SLS? Beautiful cars, beautiful cars. The hood is just massive, but it's going to be an exciting run. There's some very, very cool cars on this rally, and I'm bringing you guys along. Smash that subscribe button. Okay guys, that concludes today's activities. I hope you enjoyed the cars that have rolled through today and the content. Please smash that subscribe button, like, and comment below. What car was your favorite of today? Let me know, and have a great night. Thanks for watching. Peace.